In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube Shorts in Elementor. We'll take this step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and implement it on your website. Whether you're looking to spruce up your content with engaging videos or simply want to provide more dynamic visuals for your audience, embedding YouTube Shorts is a fantastic way to go. First things first, to get started, you'll want to have both your YouTube Shorts and Elementor platforms ready to go. Head over to YouTube and select the short you wish to embed on your site. Once you have the video on your screen, look for the Share button, which is typically positioned under the video. Clicking on this will present you with a URL link, which is essential for the next steps. Ensure you copy this URL or keep it handy. Now, let's shift our focus to Elementor. Open up the page or post where you want to embed your YouTube short. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you're going to look for the Embed widget. In most cases, it's easy to find under the Elements tab or simply by using the search function within Elementor. Click and drag this widget into the area of your page where you'd like that video to appear. Once you've dropped the Embed widget into place, you'll see a field waiting for a URL. This is where you'll paste the YouTube Shorts link that you copied earlier. When the link is in place, you should instantly see a preview of your video directly within the editor. Isn't it satisfying to see your efforts taking shape? You can now adjust the width and height to ensure that the video fits seamlessly into your page layout. Sometimes, tweaking these settings helps in maintaining the aesthetics of your design, so don't hesitate to experiment a little. After you're happy with how it looks, it's time to check the display settings. Make sure your video is set to play in its optimal resolution by adjusting the settings. This small step will ensure your visitors have the best viewing experience. With that confirmed, your next move is crucial: save your work. Hit the Update or Publish button within Elementor to commit these changes to your site. Before wrapping up, preview the entire page to see how the YouTube Shorts has integrated into your content. Walk through this final check to catch any necessary adjustments before your audience sees the results. There you have it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube Shorts video in Elementor. By incorporating engaging videos like these, you're enhancing the interactivity of your site, keeping your audience hooked, and making your content that much more compelling. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy embedding!